I'll discuss one of the important problem statement with respect to theory of computation, that is design a DFA for the strings ending with 10 over the input alphabets. In this problem statement, which is very important condition, is that the string and ending with 10. Right. Let us look at the minimal string which you can draw from this problem. Right. So there is minimum string is 10. For this, before taking a one more string, which are all is a valid string over this problem statement, let us draw the transition diagram for 10. Right. 10. So we have 10 here. So for that we will draw the diagram. I'll draw it here. Q naught, which is the initial state, which takes the 1, then reached the Q1. Then we have one more character, that is a 0. We'll accepting 0 and reach to the Q2, which is we have to make that is a final state, since we have to make this as a valid string. So for that we have to accepting it. Let us take one more string 0 1 0. 0 1 0, there is a one minimal string you have taken 0. It can start any number of 0 and over before to the ending 10. 0 1 0 also valid, and 0 0 0 1 0 also valid. Let us try with this. These two are have to make that as a accepted. In this case, if I start with the initial state, but we have already one transition, but there is no transition on 0. So it can start any number of 0 at the initial state. You make like this, it will accept 1 0 1 0. Right? So this will accept. What about this guy? 0 0 0 0 1 0. Then these two guys are accepting. So let us look at the other string 1 1 0. This also valid string. I'll take 1 1 0. This also valid string 1 1 1 1 0. This also valid string. That means so it can start. Once I have to write a diagram for this. Already there is a 1 transition will be there. When you go to Q1, the 1 is accepted, but 1 0 is remaining. So there is no transition on 1 at Q1. So it can accept any number of 1 at this stage. Then take after 1 is over, it will take 0 and reach to the Q2. Right. Let us try this. 1 1. Again there is a two more ones, 1 and 0. So like that you can take any kind of string. It is starting with 1 1 1 1 1. Once you reach the Q1, remaining ones will accept it, then reach after accepting 0 will reach to the final state. Let us move on to the next valid string. So there is this one will accepted, this one will accepted, this one will accepted. 1 0 0. But this will accept or not. Once it will accept this 1, first character will take 1, then it will go to the next 0 is also. But when I reach to the Q2, there are no transition on either 0 or 1. So with us there is a 1 0 1 0. Already you are consuming 1 0 here, remaining 1 0 is there. Right. So whether you have to rotate here itself, if I rotate 0 comma 1, even it will ending with 0 0. This is not possible. This is not possible. So then what to do in that case? So it is either 0, Q2 is looping it over the Q2 is even it can take wrong string as well. Right? And also it can take 1 also. These are not valid string according to our problem statement. So what to do in that case? You have to do, so then we'll try another way of it. So how do you do that? We have 1 0, right? So already you reached 1 0, we have one more 1 0. So let us take here it is 1, try, then 1 is come, what is the 1 is accepted, right? You come back to the Q1, 0 is there, then you can take, it is accepted. You can take any number of 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0. All of them are ending with 1 0. Take all this, once you reach the 1 0 Q2, then we will be rotating with through Q1, Q2, Q3 like that. Okay, let us move on to the other value string. I'll take 1 0 0 1 0. This also valid string. Ultimately, what is our aim? Any string you can take, at the end it should be ending with 1 0, right? So 1 0, but this much is accepted, right? This much is accepted. 1 0 is over, remaining with us 0 1 0, 0 1 0, 0, this also over, 1 0, right? Now you take any kind of, this is 0. Now onwards, have to ensure it remaining any value string you can take, it will accept. When do you say that is accepting? When you reach to the final state. Otherwise, if you are at Q1, Q0, Q1, that string are not accepted. Once you reach consuming all the input, reach to the final state, say that it is accepting. Another way also you can check it, the DFA. So DFA has transition on each and every input at every state. If I take Q0 here, if I take Q0 here, Q0, it has a transition on 0 and 1, and come to the Q1, it has also has a 0 and 1. When you come to Q2, it is also 0 and 1. Then you can say it is a complete DFA. Every transition have a transition on, every state have a transition on every input. So then it will accept any kind of input which is valid. Okay. So like that you can draw the transition diagram, is starting with the basic minimal string, then move on to the next complicated string, possible value string, build upon it, right? This way you can make it easy for you people. So once you have done this, I'll also simulated some same diagram. Look at this. So on A 0 1 1 0, then you have done entire transition. I think, hope you understand. Do you have any doubt over on this problem? Please you have to comment in comment box. Thank you.